2022 Kia Carnival, Sedona's replacement with improved quality. According to many reviews and auto experts, the 2022 Kia Carnival isn't so bad. It's not an overly amazing ride, but it isn't a bad one either. The car is designed as a minivan, which is just perfect for hauling kids. That's why this car is perfect for parents with toddlers and kids, and those who need to haul quite a lot of cargo and stuff during the trip. Before we continue, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button to support our channel, and to make sure you don't miss a single video. Without further ado, let's get started. The upcoming features. When designed as the minivan to replace the Sedona, this Carnival is packed with tons of features and good stuff. As it was mentioned before, Carnival is replacing the Sedona, which has been discontinued. As a minivan, the ride is able to accommodate 7 to 8 people, which means that it has a spacious room and roomy interior arrangements. The sliding door is convenient for everyday use. And to make it safer, the minivan comes equipped with new features, including alert system for the rear occupants, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connection, and more. With a V6 engine and 290 horsepower of power, and also an Auto 8-speed transmission, you can expect a lot of good stuff from this minivan. Engine and performance. The 2022 Kia Carnival comes on a V6 engine with a 3.5-liter capacity producing 290 horsepower of power. The standard transmission is Auto 8-speed. It's too bad that there is no all-wheel driving system because the Carnival is made available as the front-wheel driving system only. Can this minivan tow stuff? Absolutely. In fact, it is able to tow 3,500 pounds of weight. Thanks to the V6 engine, Carnival can reach 60 miles per hour within 7.0 seconds. Not so bad, eh? Moreover, a lot of people are impressed by the smooth ride and well-balanced handling and ride. Tackling the corner is easy and it is also fun. Exterior beauty. The minivan comes with an SUV-like boxy design, along with crossover proportion, big wheels, and also daytime running lights being integrated into the grille. As a result, the minivan can have an upscale and sophisticated SUV vibe, which will remind you of Range Rover. And with driver assistance features, you can expect a lot from the van. Interior comfort. One of the best things about the Carnival is the modern interior. The front seat and dashboard areas are modern. With a big center console and dual-screen infotainment technology, Mercy style, you can enjoy digital comfort. Naturally, the higher the trim, the more features to expect. In Carnival, comfort is improved and spaciousness is a major thing for the company. Available trims. There are 5 trims available for Carnival. The lowest end is the LX that is sold for $33,300. Higher than the LX is the LXS with a tag price of $35,500. The next one is the X with $38,800. The X is considered the most ideal line. It has all the standard features, including the luxury specs. Higher than that, there is the SX with a tag price of $42,300 and the highest one would be SX Prestige with a $47,300 tag price. In the end, Carnival seems like a promising ride with the combination of a nice handle, good control, and impressive design. It's safe to say that the 2022 Kia Carnival is quite promising and satisfying. Alright, thank you guys for watching Tam Auto Rumors YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. If you don't want to miss any rumors and leaks of your favorite future cars, please don't hesitate to subscribe to our website newsletter at tamautorumors.com. See ya.